Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. This is Mohammad Badrudduja, and if you did not subscribe the channel up to now, please subscribe. And if you like the content, please like, share as much as you can. So today we are going to start another module from the Web Security Academy from Portswigger, and this module is again gonna be the server side module. And the vulnerability we are going to cover in this module is business logic flaw or business logic vulnerability. So before going to explain what is it, this warning as always for you. This video and its contents are only for educational purpose, and I do not support any unethical or illegal act. That's been said, let's go to the lab and we will see. So what is actually business logic vulnerability or business logic flaw? So business logic flaw is actually exist in the design or implementation of the application. So because an application may have many features and functions, and these functions are written by the developers and programmers based on some logics to perform some intended task, but the vulnerability actually occurs once an attacker can perform an unintended task through those business logics or to exploiting those business logic. So this potentially enables an attacker to manipulate the legitimate functionality to achieve a malicious goal. So if you need to truly understand the business, to understand the vulnerability, you might have a business logic problem on your hands. So if you do not understand the business, you cannot see the business logic flaw. So it is very, very important, first of all, to think before you write or program a function or a feature. You must think all the possible ways to perform those tasks or to achieve that goal. Fine. So these vulnerability also themselves are often quite easy to discover and exploit without any special tools and techniques. Means you do not need to have you do not need to automate the process through a tool. It just depends on your thinking and your imagination. Usually applications do not offer you to view the code. You just need to see the behavior of the application, and then you need to try, or you need to find out how you can perform the unintended task through the process. Also, there is one more interesting part about this kind of vulnerability is that every company or every organization uh, creates its own applications. It could be web application, it could be mobile application, it could be system standalone applications. Okay, and those applications have features according to the organization's policies and procedures. So in most of the cases you will find different functionalities and different variables, different processes. Okay, so you cannot actually use any tool or the specific technique to perform the unintended task to exploit that business logic flaw. So that's been said, let's just go to the lab and we will see what we need to do. So the first thing is, this is lab number 1, and excessive trust in the client side control. This is the huge problem. Whenever you are going to write a code, or whenever you are going to build a feature with the business logic, you must validate everything. The agenda of this lab is, this lab does not adequately validate user input. You can exploit a logic flaw in its purchasing workflow to buy items for an unintended price. To solve the lab, we need to buy a product which is leather jacket, lightweight leather jacket, and we have one valid user credential. So let's go and log into the application. Before login, we just need to capture all the requests through this Burp proxy. So I enable Burp proxy on my browser, go to the my account. Here, WIENER winner, and the password is Peter. So as you can see here, we already have $100 in our store credit. It means we can purchase anything which is less than or equal to $100. Now we go to the home page where we have many products, and as you can see here, this is $23. So we can purchase this because we already have a store credit of $100, but we need to see something which is more than $100. So this product, lightweight leather jacket, is $1,337, which is more than $100. And technically we should not or we must not purchase this jacket with the $100 store credit, right? So let's go and view this item or product, and here is the number of product you want to purchase, and we need to add this product to the cart. And now as you can see, in our cart we have one product. So once we go to the cart, we can see we have leather jacket in our cart, and its price is $1,337. Now I need to check each and every request what we have. So this is the post login request, and these labs are easy because you exactly know where the flaw or where the vulnerability exists, but in real life scenario you must need to check every feature and function in the web application. Now this is another post request where we add the product in our cart, and you can see here there are a few parameters like product ID, redirect, quantity is equal to 1, and price is 1,337, then 00. So this request is interesting for me. I'm going to send this request to the repeater. Also, one more thing I want to do here, I want to remove this product from the cart so that we don't have any product now. Let's go again to the repeater. Yeah, so we have this request, very fine. Now what I need to do, because as we can see we can control this parameter price, so this parameter can be controlled by the user or by the client. So we can just put it $10 and then 0.00. These these last two zeros after the point and after the decimal, so this is going to be the $10, right? So send this request, and as you can see we got 302 found, means redirect, and the application is going to redirect us to the product ID 1, this page. So follow the redirect so that okay, we come to the product page. Now go back to the application and just refresh your application. This is the cart page, right? And you can see here now we successfully added the same product which has value of $1,337. We add into the cart in $10. So in a minute I will tell you what exactly going on here, but place the order first to finish the lab, and boom, you can see congratulations, you have solved the lab. Even though here you will be notified that the product you have purchased has a cost of $1,337, but you purchase it in $10, and still you can see your credit score is $90, right? Now the problem in this business logic is so the problem in this business logic is we can, or a client can control this parameter price. And even though it could be avoided, because even though if a client can control this and send $10 value, but if the application verify this price from database or from anywhere that okay, the product, this product actually has this price, so whenever any client put $10 or manipulate the price field, so that price must be matched with the database value of this product price. And if the product price passed by the client is not equal to this price, the application or the web application must drop or deny that request. So that's been said, we have completely, or we have successfully solved the lab. See you in the next video, and if you like the content, please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Bye.